Yo, I'm prepping for the car show. By the time you see this, it'll be months down the line. But yeah, just prepping for the car show. It's not gonna be much difference, but I just mainly just want the outside clean, but I'm about to vacuum and shit. But waiting for my friend to hit me back. I'm pretty sure she gonna flake. Everyone I know is fucking flaky as shit. Hopefully the homies outside, I'm gonna ask him if he gonna go. Shit. If she flake on me and he outside, I'm gonna ask him if he wanna go. The dude with the Impala. Still haven't talked to the dude yet. I'm shy as shit. And like, you know how black dudes are with gay females. I'm using this footage for my vlogs too, so. But I'm prepping this joint for the, prepping Olivia for the import car show. It's stock, but it doesn't matter. Gotta get this shit off. I have to wash my wheels. But I'm using this for the body and the wheels and finishing it off with chemical guys. These for the tires. Shit. Laker gang. It's still not done. I mean, I have to do the inside, that's it. And the wheels and shit. But other than that, that's it. Well, I talked to the Impala dude. He seemed like a asshole. So, I guess he's out as far as being cool with. Yeah, I was asking him, was he going to the car meet? It was like an import car meet. Yeah, he seemed like a straight asshole. I guess that's that on that. Fuck it then. Then he is black, so you know how black men are with gay females. So, but yeah, he was rude as shit. Fuck it.
Records, safe the good music.
Yep, I'm out of
Yo,
here.
hold on, did he? Do it.
Oh, the 25 cycle. Oh, shit.
Oh, man.
Get him. Get him. And that's why he can't have nice things.
And it wasn't a Mustang.
You would expect him to be a Mustang. Yeah. He used to have one. Yeah, he used to have one. I'm just kidding. No, he had a G35.
He probably just shit a bird. Nathan almost took a L. Don't be that guy.
You're next. You're next. So nope. Keep it straight. Keep it straight.
This is good fucking vlog for the street.
That would have sucked.
Yeah.
It kind of
I
would
swear
have
to
been.
God, I thought that car almost hit someone.
I mean, it kind of would have been funny.
It would have been hysterical. A little bit.
All he had to do was let him. He just kept trying to counter steer. He kept trying to counter steer. Oh, shit. Right side of the road.
Fuck out the way. Yo, so that's it. Like, they shut that shit down because I came late because these flaky ass motherfuckers that I know.
So much pain up on my body, got my mind aching. Steady racing, steady pacing, I can't be complacent. Focus on my breathing, candles lit in meditation. Success is what I'm chasing, learn the voice of being patient. Always do your best, but don't you look for confirmation. Cause they will put you down before you reach the destination. Before you take off and run away with aviation. Keep your goals to yourself, nigga, translation. Master all your talents and always give it your very best. Always know your worth, but don't you settle for nothing less. Take a deep breath for all the times you feeling stressed. And keep in mind, nigga, diamonds made when they pressed. I was feeling so down, lonely and depressed. I picked my head up and kept smiling on this quest. A lesson's not a lesson unless you lessen all that stress. A blessing is a blessing.